Hello friends, so welcome once again on this video. So in this video, I'm going to explain or guide you how you can deploy your static HTML or CSS static website on Netlify. Okay, because most of you have asked me to create a video how to deploy on Netlify. Many of you are facing problem on this. To resolve that problem, I will show you everything from creating an account to deploy on the Netlify. Okay. So first of all, to deploy it, you have to search Netlify. So this is the Netlify official website. You can come here and open in the first link. So here, first of all, if you don't have an account on the Netlify, so you will have to sign up here. So you can sign up using multiple account. If you have already one GitHub account, you can sign up through that. Else you can choose this option, sign up with the email. Okay. So here you can put your email and password. So I have already created my account. So I'm not going to sign up. Okay. So after creating this account, you will be able to see this login option. So when once you have created an account on the Netlify, you can click on this login option, login link, and now you will be able to see this login into Netlify. Just put your email and password which you have used during the creating an account. Okay. So just put that and click on the login button. Yes. Now after logged in, you will be successfully land in the dashboard. Okay. And here you can see all kind of, if you have already deployed your some of the project, then you can see there. And here, in order to deploy and static websites, you will have to basically create one HTML. As maybe if you are going to deploy, then obviously you will have that file. So let me show you. So I have one folder called code. Okay. In this folder, I have this code like index.html and audio one file is available there. So in the VS Code, you can see in this way I have it. There is a code, okay, and I'm going to deploy it so that I can show you how you can deploy your website on Netlify. So there is one index.html and audio of one. So if you want to see it as a demo, so you can see. Let me start it with the live server. So it will look like this. Okay. And so let's see, are we able to see same kind of website after deploying it or not? Okay. So let's go here. And here you will see one option, add a new site. And you will have to choose the option. There are three options, import an existing project, start from a template, or deploy manually. So this option you will choose when you have a GitHub account and you have pushed your code in the GitHub, and from there you want to deploy. So for now, I'm choosing the deploy manually because I want to deploy through the drag and drop manually. I don't have pushed my code in the GitHub. So I will choose this option. So how you can deploy it? You can just go to the code where your code is there. So here you can go and just go to the folder, and next you have to drag and drop that folder. Let's drag and drop it. Wait for some time, it is deploying. Okay, so the process is completed. Your website is deployed. Now let's open it. So it's breaking. I guess there is some problem. So the site is saying like not page not found. So let's see what is the problem here, how to fix that. So let's go here and check. Oh, you can see here that it is written index dot html. So make sure you are not making any mistake here, because whenever you are deploying, make sure your file name, main file name should be index.html only. If you are writing any other file name, any single mistake if you are making, like if you are writing index1.html or index.html, it will break. Your code in local, your code will work, but in the production, whenever you will deploy it in the Netlify, it will not work. Okay, so make sure you are making your file name correct, then deploy it. So let's change this name. Now our file name got changed. Now let's deploy it once again. Go back, go back and open that folder again. Let's drag and drop and put it here. Now let's open it. Yes, you can see your website is got deployed. You can play the audio and everything is working, right? So in this way, you can deploy your static website on the Netlify. It's very easy, but make sure you are writing correct file name. Okay, your main file name should be index.html only. Okay. So if you want to change the website name, for example, you can see here very lengthy name is written. If you want to change the name of your website or like URL, you can go here and site configuration. Inside this, you can change site name. So just change site name. Yes, click on this button, change site name. Here you can write your name or anything like Iron Man. Okay, you can, it's already taken. Yeah. Uh, Now if you'll go in the site overview, you can click on this. You can see Iron Man 10 netlify.app. Okay. So I hope you understand how you can deploy it. Don't make any mistake and then you can deploy it. Okay. Okay, guys. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye.